Welcome back. This video is about line graphs. So let's get started. So a line graph shows information over time. Some examples of this can be temperature changes over the year, store sales over a year, your grades throughout the school year, or school fundraiser during the week. A line graph is different from a bar graph because it doesn't have bars and it can only be used for graphing over time. A bar graph can be used for graphing over time, but you will see why a line graph is easier. A line graph must have, just like a bar graph, it has all the same things, except you'll notice here at the bottom, I have written the dates on the line. You will see why in the next example. The example that we are going to do today is, this is how much money TVPS raised each year for the Terry Fox Run. Graph it on a line graph. So again, as you can see, the years are on the line. You'll see why as we start filling this in. But you'll also notice that I did a squiggly here because the smallest number we have is 450. So there's no sense of graphing 0 to 425. And another difference you'll notice here is the scale is skip counting by 25s. This is the largest scale I have used so far in these videos. So let's graph these points. In 2009, we raised $550. So the difference between the line graph and bar graph is this. Here is the difference. In a line graph, you're just gonna put a little dot. You're not drawing a bar. 2010, 600, 2011, 625, 2012 is $605. Now there is no 605, but we know it's greater than 600. So you would put it just slightly above the 600 mark. There's 540. So again, there is no 540, but slightly less. So we put it there. 525 is next in the year 2014. 650 in the year 2015. Then we had 600 for the year 2016. 450, the lowest of the numbers right here. 2018 had 520, again, just slightly off. Try and get it as close as possible. We do not expect perfection, especially if you're doing it by hand. It's just not possible. 2020 was 475. And lastly, $610 for the year 2021. And it's going to be about here. So here's what we have to do, is we have to connect these dots. You are going to use a ruler. I will not be able to. So there's our information. It has been graphed. Now I did not put any of the labels, so let's include the labels now. I like to do them right at the beginning. However, I forgot to do it this time, so let's just do it at the end. So our title will be Terry Fox Fundraiser. At the bottom, the label is years, and on the left side, it's money raised. So this is basically the line graph. It's a lot easier to do than the other graphs. It's actually quicker. So thanks for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.